Guys, I just started playing. I just killed a duck, so I got 2,000. I never knew that it would give you 2,000. I'm gonna just try to kill this dude. He's in 7th place. I'm gonna say hi. Peace. Peace. And I'm gonna make a clan. Yeet. Okay. Please join. Okay, now, should I kill him? No, I'm not gonna kill him. Okay, we're gonna make a base here. Okay, so there's this dude named Paps. I died. Oh, what? Okay. I know where they are, because that's where I died. So, I'm just gonna go there. But, yeah. I'm gonna say peace. Frick, they're gonna kill me. Is this the other base? Okay. I wanna mark where their base is. Like, it's right here. Okay. Oh, wait, I didn't mark it. I'm just gonna pretend I'm grabbing some gold. Boom, it's marked. Okay, my other teammate's on the place where I died. I hope he's killing them. Not, then, oh well, then I'll kill him. I'm gonna say peace. Peaceful seven. Peace, yo, I'm not peace, bro. Peace, bro. Okay, yes. Hey, whoa. I know. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna say okay. Wait a sec. What? Okay, wait a sec. Okay, I'm gonna kill this. Oh, frick! He has a katana. Run, kids, run! Oh no, these guys are. G is good. Come on, wolf killer. Oh, I killed her. Wait, I have 2 kills. Oh yeah, I killed 2 people. Okay. Oh my gosh. I killed her. I'm not gonna kill Paps. Well, I'm gonna try to kill Paps if I can. What's up, Paps? Paps is gonna die. No, I died. Oh, I could have killed Paps. Oh yeah, also, so in honor of Mr. Bill, if you didn't see my last video, go check it out. I killed him a bunch of times. I named myself Mr. Bill, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, the people from the G are pretty good. I don't know, I might change my name. Once I get in the clan, I'll change my name back to Mr. Bill, but I can't let them know that I killed them a bunch of times. I'm actually gonna be, okay, wait. Kill, Tap, his name's like Paps, right? Yeah. So, he's gonna try, oh, he's not, actually, he's not, okay, G, come on, let me in, boys. I guess they didn't let me in, but okay. Oh, there's a base right here. Hi. Please let. I'm gonna say please let me. Oh, I'm in. I'm already in. Okay. Okay. They let me in. Who's the leader of G? Oh, it's Panda. Where's Paps? Okay, I think he died. I'm gonna. Oh, what? Okay. What? He leave. He leave. No, but he leave. I can't spell leave today, but okay. Why? He's auto healer. Yay, he hacks. He hacks. Oh, wait, why? Okay, he's gonna leave. Yeah. What is this dude doing? He's just destroying all of our stuff. Stop. Okay, I'm gonna exit. Oh, frick, he has a ruby sword? I didn't know that. Oh, frick. I'm gonna die. Yeah, I died. What? He just said what? Oh, he said a bad word there. I'm gonna change my name. Peace, I noob. Oh no, peace, please. I'm gonna do it the same. Please. I noob. Wait, what? I'm just gonna do peace, I noob then. Peace, I noob. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try to join. I hope they let me in. Peace, I noob. Ah, frick. You wanna go? You wanna go, huh? I'll mage one. I don't care though. This dude's scared, huh? Isn't he? You should be, bro. Hey, Wolfie, come here. Come here. Yeah. Come on, attack me. Don't you dare steal my kill. No, don't steal my kill. His name is Hat God. Bro. Okay, I'm in. I have to. I have to kill something. No, but they all have ruby swords. I gotta wait. Wait, does this spike hurt me? Okay, no, it doesn't. Why? I can't. I don't have proper grammar, but okay. I'm gonna try to get to age 8 to get a katana, and then I'm just gonna kill some people. I'm gonna try to kill Paps. Paps is kind of easy to kill. Okay, so I just killed, okay, guys. So I just went into the G clan, and so there was this hacker, and he had like auto heal and all that stuff. So, and the hacker trapped the leader of G, and I killed him. I killed the leader of G. I almost killed Paps. If I just had they let me in. Oh my gosh. If I just had a little more time, I could have killed Paps, but look, he's not gonna have a ruby sword anymore. Peace, bro. Oh, this dude trying to kill me? Not cool. Ah, frick. Okay, Mustafa's in our base. Oh, yeah, Mustafa's in. Okay, Mustafa, hi. Oh, frick. Arena closer. Oh my gosh, he just died. Okay, now we got. Hi, Mustafa. Oh, frick. I'm gonna. What? I died? Okay. So I'm gonna try one more time. I'm gonna try and kill this person. Care who it is, who they are, how you die. How did you die? You used to have Ruby. Wait, he deleted the clan. Okay, this dude, I just killed someone. Okay, I'm gonna join gold. I'm gonna kill him. What? Okay. I'm gonna kill him. I have to kill him. He needs to die. Oh, I'm like, okay, there's food here. Let me kill this cow. Let's kill this bully. I'm not bully. You can get that. Okay, this thing is trapped, so let's trap it. Mine. I didn't get it. I didn't get the kill. I'm still gonna heal up. Okay. Wait a sec. Wait a sec. Okay, I gotta get him to stay still, because then he's just gonna run away. Stop. I'm gonna say stop. Stop. Wait a sec. Please. Okay. Stop. Hey, this dude, this kid. Oh, frick! Oh, no! Oh my gosh! Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh. Hi. Hi. What are these people doing? Dark is like, something suspicious here. Peace, bro. Wait, what? Does this thing, did this dude think I'm gonna kill him? I would never kill anyone. No. Oh my gosh. Okay. What? No. I died. Okay. Not good, but that's gonna be it for today. I might post a part 2. Probably, yes. I probably will. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Get ready for part 2. I'm gonna upload it in a while. Okay? Bye.